Rafael, take that one.
What is happening here at night? What is that? What is it? It's fuzzy. This is some kind of moth. Okay, we're at the place to get our car fixed or looked at. When we drive our car and we put the brakes on, the steering wheel jerks really bad. So it's like we're thinking maybe the tires or rotors or something's going on with that. Brakes, tires, rotors, whatever. So we're gonna get it looked at, and they're gonna take about 3 hours. That's why we borrowed the car from my mommy, and she was gracious enough to let us borrow it. We're going to clean her car. I broke something. Of course I broke something on the last day when I got gas. The gas, if you look online at the gas tank cover for a Toyota Sienna, you will see how cheap and flimsy they are. I'm so irritated right now. I didn't close it all the way apparently. And when I tried to open the door to get Abigail out, I knocked and broke the hinge off. Very small hinge. Very easy to break, like you could break it with your finger. So I'm really irritated by that, but I'm going to see if I can get that fixed today, possibly. Also going to get some vitamins and shoes. I need shoes for me and Abigail and socks for Rafael that, not long socks, but short socks for his shoes. There are 1 or 2 very large lizards on this tree. There is something going on, moving very heavily over here. I can't zoom in anymore, and I also can't walk over there, because that would be too friendly for you, and they would run off. If you see it, let me know. What would be really funny is if I did a jump scare right now. Is it an iguana? Alright, I had to get me some beach sandals. They're $4 in the Walmart.
Beach.
So regular sandals, 98 cents. That's good.
Beach sandals, blue.
Flip-flops.
Flip-flop beach sandals.
Yeah?
Wow. Wow, I love that.
Look at this. They got a beer tank in here at Walmart.
A lot of boring places.
A lot of boring places?
I figured it would be more boring than this.
It's pretty boring.
It's just boring.
It's boring for children, I guess. Okay, they did end up having to change 2 rotors and fix the AC and do some other stuff, some new brake pads, so we'll see how much this is gonna be. They said they're done with the vehicle. They've worked on it for 6 hours now. Well, we got it back, and Daddy is driving it home. And now we are home, and he'll be home in just a second. Yeah, I have to open the door because my mom put a child lock on the doors, which is a very good thing.
Mommy! Hi!
Hi! How you doing?
Open the child lock.
Got some fresh faces here.
It's not Abigail walk. Do that again, Abigail. No. Is someone gonna eat me?
Careful.
Do what you're doing to brother right now.
salad.
Yo, we love girls in here.
Yes, I will eat that. I don't waste anything. Do I, Daddy?
Well, we surely don't.
So I'm making a fruit salad for their dinner. I already made. Come to the fridge and see what I made for tomorrow. This I got with packaged lunch meat. So I got 3 free containers. I put grapes in it. And I bought 3 containers for salad that have sporks on top of it. So I made salads for tomorrow.
So we got the car fixed. And it did not cost any more than what it should have.
Yeah.
He said they're going to try to replace my, switch my brake rotors. And they were stuck to the wheel hubs because they were rusty. And so he replaced them for no additional charge. I don't know how that worked, but he said it didn't cost anything anymore, so good for us.
Okay.
So now the brakes are fixed. The air conditioner is cooler. Not crazy, but cooler. The brakes feel great. I mean, now it's
The kids are going crazy. It's funny. They're actually playing really good together, even though they're really loud.
How are you? How are you in all this madness, this insanity, the chaos and anarchy around you? How are you doing with all that? Do you want to talk to us about it? Is there something you'd like to share?
She don't like you anymore.
Go there, Abigail. Are you okay?
Did she say help? Kitty, are you saying help? Out of here? What?
It's my turn, Abigail. Let me have a turn. Let me have a turn. Let me have a turn.
If this madness went on in the other house in Israel, then she would be out of here. So she's doing pretty good. She would go to chill on the bed, but here she's just fine.
Stand up. Stand up. Stand up and I'll do what you did to brother. Run!
Fixing
Abigail. Run, Abigail! Run!
Hallcatting? Awesome. Oh, by the way, here's an update on her fur. Look, it's great. She has fur everywhere. Bye. Are you loving?
Run for your life!
Okay, this is Abigail's, this is Raphael's, and this is mine and Dada's. We're gonna put some yogurt in it. He's gonna have protein yogurt. I'm gonna have regular yogurt, and I got some collagen today that I need. So I'm going to put a scoop of powder in mine.
What is that?
Enjoy your food, kids.
It is fruit, all of them.
I think it's the first time they ever have that type of salad.
Yeah.
We're gonna have a berry picking good time today.
I don't have anything in my hands.
That's right.
Oh, you've got a lot of berries.
Do you like Rafael to haul you?
And you know what? Abigail, you're the prettiest little girl I've ever seen.